Hey y'all, Irix guy here, and if you've ever used an iPhone, you know that sometimes things can break. Now, looking at my iPhone, everything looks fine, no visible damage. But what I noticed, the lenses on the camera, they started to fog up. So I took my iPhone out of my case. Now, this isn't a bumper case, it's just a little silicone case. I took it out and look at what I found, man. Look at that. That sucker's all cracked up. I'm gonna move my eyes out here so it tries to focus on this, but look at that. Cracks all through there, spiderweb crack pattern. The main point of impact was right there above the Apple logo, and unfortunately this crack goes all the way to this piece, which was letting moisture in to the camera lenses. If there was just a cracked back, I wouldn't really care so much because I'm not looking at the back of my phone anyway, and I never use my iPhone naked. I've always got my iPhone in a case. But number one, this is probably a good reason to always get a case for your iPhone. Number two, the little case like I've got, which I love because it's slim, fits in my pocket well, this doesn't really provide much protection beyond scratches. And what happened, you can see there right by the Apple logo, that was the point of impact. I had my phone and I had I was doing some yard work, so I had my Glock in my pocket, and the Glock hit, the metal part of the Glock hit that, and it just hit it in the right spot to where it cracked. Now, the quality, I love Apple products, don't take me the wrong way, but the quality of the back of the newer model iPhones, this is iPhone 15 Pro, it's really upsetting that that happened, because I mean, really all I had my iPhone in my pocket with this case on it, and the Glock was in that pocket, so the Glock hit the back of it, the metal part of the Glock, you know, the slide. So the fact that the back of an iPhone is so fragile is concerning. Right now I don't have any moisture in my lenses. So what I'm going to do now is show you, if you've had a similar situation with your iPhone, well, what can you do? Well, iPhones are too expensive. It's definitely not time to upgrade. Like I said, this is the iPhone 15 Pro. So what I got this vinyl stuff right here. And I'm going to apply the vinyl to the back of the iPhone 15 Pro with the expectation that with the vinyl applied, hopefully, number one, this will keep the cracked glass on the back intact, and number two, hopefully it'll better prevent moisture from being reintroduced into the camera lenses. So let's go ahead and apply this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after applying. Now, this is just basically going to hold it together, but since it's a vinyl type material, you know, hopefully it'll help with moisture control throughout the years, and hopefully that in conjunction with my case will make this iPhone survive until it's time to upgrade in a few years. So let's go ahead and snap my fingers. Let's put this on. So I've stuck it on it. Now let's see what it looks like. Look at that. So there it is with the protective piece applied, and you know, I'm going to put this obviously inside my case now with the protective piece applied. Fits in there because obviously that's just a thin layer. But if your iPhone has had the glass on the back of it cracked, this may be at least a functional workaround until you upgrade your iPhone again. Like I said, the only reason that well, there were two reasons I took the time to put that on there. Number one, you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online. It's very inexpensive. It was easy to apply. It's just, you know, basically a glorified sticker. But I put it on to hopefully hold, you know, the little loose pieces of glass in, so hopefully they won't shed inside this case. Hopefully to keep the moisture out of the iPhone 15 Pro's lenses. Hopefully that additional barrier plus my silicone case will do that, and you know, enable this phone to continue to function. Because I mean, as long as my camera works and I don't have fog in it, I don't care that the back of the iPhone is cracked. Now in a few years I'll upgrade, but you know, if you're like me, you don't want to just upgrade to upgrade. You want to wait until it's time. And I see no reason to upgrade from the iPhone 15 Pro. I mean, it's somewhat future proof. So that's how I did it. That is how to, I wouldn't say repair the glass on the back of an iPhone, but that's how to deal with broken glass on the back of an iPhone until it's time for you to upgrade your iPhone. So bad part is that having the back glass cracked will probably reduce the future trade-in value of the phone, but I mean, who cares? I mean, at least I'm not having to buy a new phone. All I had to do is buy that little piece that I've got linked within this video's description and attach it. So no fog yet. It's cold out here, and it's been inside with me where it's warm. So I think this may have been a functional workaround. Hope this video helped. If it did, again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find the little iPhone back piece like I used. And if it really helped you, made you feel good, not required, but super appreciated if you choose to do so, you can click that thanks button down below this video and send me a super thanks. Hopefully this video, you know, maybe you were thinking you were going to buy a new iPhone, and hopefully this video provided you with a functional workaround as well. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRick Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.